Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the time event trigger in Geometry Dash. First, open the editor and select the time event trigger from the Triggers tab. Place it where you want the timed event to begin. You'll then need to configure its properties, such as the delay and the target group ID. This trigger is essential for creating dynamic and synchronized level elements, allowing for complex timing sequences in your designs. To configure your time event trigger, select it and click Edit Object. Here, you'll set the delay in seconds, which determines when the trigger activates after the player passes it. Crucially, assign a group ID to the trigger and the objects it should affect. This ensures only the intended elements respond. You can also specify how many times the trigger should activate using the count option. Beyond basic timing, time event triggers shine in advanced scenarios. Pair them with alpha, move, or rotate triggers to create intricate animations and dynamic environments. You can even use multiple time triggers with different delays and group ID to orchestrate complex, synchronized movements across your level. Experiment with negative delays to initiate events slightly before the player reaches the trigger's position. When implementing time event triggers, frequent testing is key to perfecting your level's flow. Use the Editor L button to quickly preview how your timed events will play out without leaving the editor. This helps you fine-tune delays and ensure everything is perfectly synchronized. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Mastering these triggers will significantly elevate your Geometry Dash creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.